All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You guys already see the car. I wasn't even gonna film today. I was not gonna film today. I was not gonna do anything but check the car to see why it sounds like we have an exhaust leak. But this is way too good to not show you guys. So let's just get onto the car and I'm gonna show you what the exhaust leak is. So first off, I think this is one of the exhaust leak. You guys can see that here. So we gotta tighten this bolt a little more. I don't know what's going on with that. But you know, I'm just chilling here, checking out my exhaust. Everything's looking good. And then, doof, right there. You guys see that? Yo, look at that. I've never seen an exhaust do that. Honestly, I'm speechless. Like, I don't even know. Like, I don't know what to say. Look at this thing. No wonder. That thing completely separated. Bro. I thought it was like back there because I can hear it coming from back there. Alright, just for reference, when I raced the other two Maximas that you guys saw in the video, I already had this. That's how you guys know how powerful the pops and the flames are on the car, that it made a hole in my exhaust. I knew it happened. I just, didn't, check or anything. But I knew I had a hole. You guys can see that. I'm gonna do a quick cold start. See if you guys can see or hear the car and the exhaust leak. Wait, let me position this. I mean, this looks good. This is my muffler lead, I'm already tired of it. It drones a lot because of the headers and stuff, but you guys hear that? Listen. But guys, I have the exhaust in here. I gotta go get it done, but it costs money. But if you guys want, in order to support, subscribe, share the videos, that way we can generate a little more money so we can do more stuff to the car. We still gotta go all motor, baby. We're gonna be pushing like 400 wheel on this car. So, and if anything, we'll boost it. Let's see what happens. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to support, honestly, just share the video, comment whatever you want. Say, yo, what's good? Say, yo, put your blue wheels back on. Whatever you want. Take that BC sticker off because it's been there for like 20,000 years. Paint your other rear brake, which I actually gotta do. So, just things like that. But honestly, I just wanted to show you guys what's up and what's going on. I thought it was going to be like where the headers are, all that stuff, but it's actually not. Headers and white pipe look really good. Transmission looks really good. Everything looks really good. It's just that back part. That's why it sounds like that. But yeah, guys, so I did go on my honeymoon. I was away for a week. That's why you guys didn't see me post pretty much like a whole week on Instagram or YouTube or anything. Especially on Instagram. Usually I try to post, a lot during the week, but I didn't post for a week because I went to, so we went on the cruise, the MSC Meraviglia. We went on this cruise. And then we went to Nassau. I think I'm saying that right. Or we went to the Bahamas. What the heck is that? Build your dreams. We went to Ocean Cay. You know, it's a little private island. Salida. We went to Mexico. And we went to Belize.
It's the original piece of the building. You also notice that the building has levels or layers. These are not like the Egyptian pyramids that you could go inside of. We do not have chambers inside of these buildings.
Yo, Belize was so sick. We went to this little trail. You guys can see we checked out the Mayan temples here. Like they did sacrifices and everything here. That thing was so freaking cool. And yeah, guys, honestly, that's where I was. And we gotta get back to doing thing to the car. That's why I really haven't done anything to the car as well, because I was saving for my honeymoon. Still gotta put that bumper on the car. We gotta get that painted. So all that was on hold. Everything on the car was on hold because, you know, gotta make wifey happy. And yeah, now we're gonna get back into the car, you know, just get everything we need. We're gonna be going to the junkyard in a couple of days to get a couple things that we need for the interior, for exterior. And I got something very special coming for the back of the car. All that being done and said, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Honestly, I just want to show you that big thing. It's like a short video, but I was just way too, like, my mind was blown to not show you guys what happened to the exhaust. This is what happens when you don't have proper exhaust and a badass flame tune pops. I heard it because I was driving one day, you know, while I was chilling with a couple other cars, you know, and we were all racing. We were doing this and that, you know, all that, whatever. And then I turned on I had my, you know, my flames off. I turned it on, gave them a little show that we're recording or whatever. And out of nowhere, when I did it, I thought flame was gonna come out and it didn't, right? And all I heard was silence. Like it was just silence throughout the whole car. It was weird because I have an exhaust, so it's supposed to be loud. Silence for like half a second, and out of nowhere you hear a huge bang. It was like, it sounded honestly like a nuclear bomb going off. Like, bye! Like everything in the car shook, everything. I even jumped because I got scared and I was waiting for it. And I'm like, damn, that was huge. My backup camera like shook and everything because I like to see the flames. Everything shook. I was like, what is going on with this? And then after that, I heard like a little exhaust leak. And I'm like, what? That's weird. Okay, something came loose. I never checked it. And I kept doing flames and I kept doing flames and more flames. And it got bigger and bigger. And that's what you see there. It's okay. It was time to change anyway. So, you know, I'll make an appointment in the next couple of days. We're going to be putting on a new exhaust. So, guys, stay tuned to that. And I'm just filming the back of the car or whatever. Don't mind this sticker. That's just to hold my bumper in place, honestly. But, yeah, guys. So, stay tuned. And that's what I wanted to show you guys. It was a super short video, but I'm going to catch you later. Remember, God loves you. Love God. Follow him. Put him first. And I'm going to catch you guys later. Peace.